When I was a little girl, my mother taught me என்ன செஞ்சாலும் மெல்ல மெல்ல செய்யணும், சந்தோஷமா செய்யணும். I wake up 5 a.m. Slowly, I take my time. Then I cook all the favorite dishes for my children. நல்லா சாப்பாடுலாம் நான் சமைப்பேன். When I go to market, I always buy all the healthy food. I will pick all the good ingredients, more vegetable and more salad. I don't deep fry, so it's more healthy. So I'm very happy about it. Deepavali around the corner. So my family, my children all do the decoration, the light up, everything. We take our time, quality time to spend with them and do mella mella. So this very nice. நான் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன். That's why I prepare all type of dishes. Healthy mix of whole grain, meat and lot of vegetable and fruits. தீபாவளி விருந்து சமைச்சு நம்ம குடும்பத்தோட ஒன்னா சாப்பிட்றது ரொம்ப சிறப்பான விஷயம். They also enjoy my food and I'm so blessed for that. I'm so happy to serve them good food and healthy food. Throughout the year, everybody is busy. So on Deepavali day, we will connect with our family and their loved ones. So I'll take a time to pause to appreciate everything surrounded me. This is the true meaning of Mella Mella.